now, and it's time to show these girls what you made of, girl. All the girls need to be shopping submissive ATL lingerie, and period. It's time for more consistency with your YouTube and your brand. And let's get it started. What's poppin'? What's poppin', y'all? Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Girl, we's in a new year. And my nails still ain't done. It's cool though. It's cool. Let me turn the thing off so y'all don't hear that in the video. Hold on, girl. I gotta zoom out so y'all can see the bun. Oh. Don't move, camera. Don't move. Excuse the painting stuff in the back. Okay? Peyton is back there too. We are on the way to that ain't gonna be there in the next clip, I promise. We on the way to Ikea with my mama down, and then we probably after that, I don't know, y'all. Like, I don't really got no plans. Yes, baby. Okay. So we yeah, well, I don't really got no plans for that. I really was gonna stay at home, but she was like, oh, she finna go to Ikea, and I need some house stuff. The dog need a new dog bed. I mean, yeah. So I'm about to go do that, and then after that, girl, we're gonna see what the day holds. Okay, we're gonna see what the day holds, what the day's giving. Vlog. Peyton don't want to be on the vlog, so Peyton, you don't want to say hi? Oh, girl, we at Chick-fil-A. Hold on, girl. I told y'all this stuff's gonna be gone in this clip. Don't play with me. I'm just playing. Let's see what I want today. I'm gonna waste it on my shirt. That's the only thing that's going to be a mess. Do I want a sandwich or do I want some nuggets? Do I want a sandwich? Mom! We order up here. The lady gonna take our order. What you want? What you want to eat?
Fries.
You want fries? You want nuggets too?
Fries.
Just fries? Okay. Yeah, you gotta scan the app, honey. Don't forget to scan your app.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, and you?
I think your name.
Nye.
Alrighty, what can I get started for you?
Can I have a 6-count nugget meal?
6-count nugget, kids,
Yes, can I upgrade the fries instead of the toy?
to drink.
A lemonade,
Okay.
and then with extra ice, and then another medium fry,
And what else for you?
and that. Oh, and a small. Let me see what she want to drink. Wait, my drink is small, right? The meal.
I just have the one kids. Yeah.
Okay. I'll get Polynesian sauce too, and then another drink for her. I'll get a lemonade too.
A lemonade, small.
Yeah.
All right. So that's the kids 6-count with the medium fry, small lemonade, extra ice, another medium fry, and another small lemonade, extra ice on that one too.
Yes.
I got
Oh
you.
no, you don't have
Regular?
to do that. Yeah, regular.
I got you. With Polynesian, it's gonna be $9.19.
Okay.
Are you paying cash or card?
Cash.
Alrighty, and they'll take that cash for you at the window. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Lately, this was my one of my Christmas gifts. Yeah, I like Coach. I don't know why the people on Instagram be trying to down it, girl, but that's the best brand out here if you ask me. I like a good Coach, baby. They ain't never did you nothing. I don't know who I heard say that. Why are you yelling at me? What? That's what you want me to say? Let's see how much cash we got. You said no? 20, 40, 60, 80, What? 90. 192, 93, 94. I kind of want to pay on my card now. I guess it don't matter. It all come out the same. Hello.
What's the name of the order?
Nye.
Yes, ma'am. 919.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 925. You're welcome. You're welcome, baby. Get that out your mouth, home girl. Me and Peyton was gonna do our intro today, but thank you.
My pleasure.
But I forgot. We didn't even meet. Thank you. This one. Yeah. Here. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just over here taking my sweet, precious time. Thank you. You too. Let me make sure that bottle wasn't open. Cause that's gonna suck in it. Oh, okay. Drive through, baby. You gotta be quick, fast. You gotta get your stuff together and go. Yes, baby. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Let's see. This is mine. It is Peyton's. You're welcome, Peyton. You're so welcome, Peyton. Peyton. Okay, my shoes. Hi, Peyton. You ready? Wait, Peyton. I ain't going to take it all, though. No, you don't need a cart. Those are cute. We are here. At Ikea, y'all. Let's see what we can find in here.
I remember they always had this cafeteria up here too. I think I did.
Or maybe I should get one. For my purse. My purse. My camera bag. Huh? Yeah, baby. Come on, Peyton, let's go. Y'all, we in here walking good, and the pressure at the bottom of my stomach is kicking in. 6 over here. Take me a break. Show y'all my mom. Okay, too. Mom. Up her hair. Mom. Yes, baby. It's my mom and my brother girlfriend. Come back over here, girl. Mom. Yes. Come on, Momo. I almost fell. he is moving. Maybe because I'm walking so much. Peyton, come here. I think I'm gonna do this, y'all. So this is too cute. And it saves space. This is cute right here. Y'all, we at Atlantic Station. Yeah, I think so, yeah. We are going to Gayu Kaku.
Oh, that tree's so pretty. You should have did me Atlantic pictures out here.
I ain't taking you no pictures. This was the where I did the photo shoot at.
Look at that tree.
You see the checkerboard?
Yeah, people the tree.
Girl, for what? Ain't nothing special about no tree. Where are y'all going?
You looking at the tree.
Yeah, baby. Come on, girl. I'm good and tired. I forgot the vlog. You must be bad. You say that you coming here.
Because of that wall.
I'm ready for something new with my hair now.
You just got it. Braids that.
You should let Tyra do you some knotless braids. He told you to do knotless?
No.
Oh. Y'all, they had a mom. They had a thank you. Payton, come here. Hello. Do y'all have a wait for 3? Do it, go ahead. This is weird.
It is alright,
Thank you. Oh, Momo, we got pizza.
Okay.
Ooh. What's up, y'all? We back in the car. Unfortunately, we just left the pizza place. It was good. California pizza, we just left it. And now I think I'm about to take, my phone is dead. That's what I was finna say about unfortunately. My phone is freaking dead. But I think I'm finna take Peyton. I'm gonna pay for this. But I think I'm finna take Peyton to this light show thing. This drive-through light show thing. But how do I get over there is the question. Ooh. Just in case my... Okay, there we go. Ooh. I'll keep burping. I'm trying to take Peyton to this drive-through light show, y'all. But I don't know how to get over there. Is it right here? Is it even open? Oh wait. How do I get in here? Hello? How do I get to the little drive-through light thingy? Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. Chase back. Uh-huh.
That's the road.
Okay, thank you.
All right, then all right.
Thank you.
All right.
Do you want to go there, Momo, or you want to go home? Think I'm gonna go to the light thingy. It just charged up good. He said right here, right by the Chase, right by the Target. I don't know. I'm about to see.
Mama.
Uh-huh. That's Mama. Oh yeah. Yeah, my phone just charged up good.
Alright, we coming to. I just asked Santa Claus, like, we want to do this. But yeah. We should have been one car.
Right, but I'm gonna see how much it is. Yeah, I can. I'm parking at the Target. I'm gonna get in with you.
And then I gotta get gas and be there because that makes sense rather than us paying too, whatever.
Yeah.
And it's down here. Yeah. Because like you said, we might not want to do that. That's why I said, let me make sure this pieces for this thing is one month.
Girl, you gotta get it all out in one day.
I'm doing 2 days. I'm going out tomorrow. Let them gotta work.
Now tomorrow,
Oh, you still get
tomorrow, home girl, I'm gonna be enjoying my humble home.
You still got Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, baby. I'm gonna park in the garage up here.
Yeah, that's what I was talking. I make sure you got what they that gas thing right.
Oh, I can't wait to get my Volvo truck, girl.
I want me another BMW. I told you I was.
He said right here. Oh, that say exit. It must be around here. Yeah, Mama, we going over there.
Y'all, what if we run out of gas in there?
Then I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna say I should have took my own car. Yes, Mama.
You say
Yeah.
19 miles. That could not be no dang on 19 miles.
Yeah, baby.
No.
No, it's definitely not. You ready?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, shit, I need to get the car out of here.
Oh, and Mama.
Mama,
Huh, baby? It's pretty, isn't it, Mama?
that baby.
Oh, y'all, they playing Christmas music for real.
Unlock our window.
Mom, look.
Be scanned through your window.
What, Mama?
Oh, what if we can't get the ticket?
I'm pretty sure they're gonna take cash.
Mom,
Cause what they gonna tell us?
They ain't gotta count how many people up in here now. Ma, unlock the window.
Oh, you mean, I was gonna say what you're talking about. Oh shit. Okay, it's unlocked.
Yeah, baby.
Ask me.
Yes. So scared. Hi, can we pay here?
Yeah, it's 35 cash or 38.12 on a card. Alright, you got a chip on there? Thank you. Can I have that back? If you'll just turn your headlights off for me as you go through. And if you guys want to loop back around, you can. Just say collard greens as you come through the line.
Okay.
Thank you.
She said,
You guys enjoy.
say
Have fun.
what now? Collard greens.
no, hold up.
Ooh, okay.
Mom,
Huh?
I can't.
No, you don't need to open the door.
Mom.
Huh?
What, Mama?
Oh, and Mama. You turned your lights off? Oh, look at them sitting on the roof. Mama, you want to get on the roof?
Oh, the car, that's cute.
Oh, how cute.
Didi, Papa. Oh, Mama.
Oh, and Mama.
Mom.
Girl, wait.
Huh? But was it $35 worth?
No, this ain't no $35.
No, it wasn't not $35.
Mom.
Hey y'all, so we back at home. And yeah, we finna relax, honey. We finna relax. Bye y'all. See y'all in the next video. This is the little thing I got from Ikea. It's so cute. Well, they came separate, but it's so cute. But okay, bye. Seriously. I'm going. Good night. Say night night.
Mom.
Okay, whatever.
One of the baddest say, put it on, make 'em mad today. Say these hoes ain't got nothing on the shade. Super glue make 'em stay in their place. We gon' rob 'em, no mask, okay. You too pretty to hide your face. Rent is due and the bills is late. GPS, she gon' find a way. She fur lady for sure, we like Tasha and Ghost. I done gave up a lot, I can't let this one go. Where she classy in public, but